Hello and welcome to the video on basics of decision table, one of the most useful tools to model requirements. In order to understand this, let's take an example of a store, say a grocery store, which offers discounts to customers on the total purchase amount. The discount is based on whether the customer has a membership card and the total purchase amount. So the conditions go like this. If a customer has membership card and total purchase amount is greater than or equal to 5,000 rupees, then give a discount of 15%. If a customer has membership card and total purchase amount is less than 5,000, then 10%. If a customer does not have a membership card and the total purchase amount is greater than or equal to 5,000, then 8% discount. Now, if I had to use text to express these requirements, I could express them in multiple ways. One of these ways may be like this. The system shall use the following discount policy to calculate the total price. 15% for customers with a membership card and purchase amount greater than or equal to 5,000. 10% for customers with a membership card and purchase amount less than 5,000. 8% for customers without a membership card and purchase amount greater than or equal to 5,000, and 0% for all other customers. Now, if I had to represent this information using a decision table, this is how it would look like. The table has two parts, conditions and actions. Conditions, as the term suggests, list down the conditions. In this example, we have two conditions. Has membership card, total purchase greater than or equal to 5,000. The value for these conditions could be either true or false, but not limited to just these two values. In this particular case, we have only these two possibilities. A cross or X symbol is used to indicate true for a given condition. A dash symbol represents false. Even though this is the common standard followed, it's a good practice to just make a small note of it in your requirement document, mentioning this convention so that everyone has the same understanding of these symbols. Actions indicate the outcome or the system behavior under a given set of conditions. Here also the value could be true, false, or any other value that indicates the outcome. In this example, it's the percentage discount that the system offers under a given set of conditions. So how is a decision table read? It is read one column at a time. If you see the topmost row, it has columns marked with integers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now column 1 is read as if a user or the customer has a membership card and the purchase amount is greater than or equal to 5,000, then the discount offered is 15%. Similarly, column 2 is read as if a user has a membership card and the purchase amount is not greater than or equal to 5,000, which means less than 5,000, then the discount offered is 10%. As you can see, since there are two conditions and each one can be either true or false, we will land up with 4 such combinations. In real life situation, you would have more than 2 conditions. And if you represent such information using text, it's very easy to overlook one or more conditions. Having a table like this ensures that we have considered all the combinations, and therefore it's not possible to miss a requirement as a result of missing conditions. Now, few points you might want to note down here. If you just want to put this decision table in your requirement, your readers may not be able to understand the context. So you may want to mention what this decision table represents. For example, by adding a text which reads like this: system shall use the discount policy as given by the following decision table in order to calculate the total price. And then follow the text with the decision table. So it looks somewhat like this. A model-like decision table helps us to represent the requirements containing several conditions in a tabular format, which makes it easy to understand, review, and also not miss any condition like I mentioned earlier. which also means that we should keep the text for the condition and the action as short as possible in the table. Yeah, you don't want to clutter it. So if you think that the reader will not fully understand what this condition exactly means or what this action exactly stands for, then mention it as a short as and simple text for better clarity just near this decision table. I hope you found the video useful. Please use like button if you did so. Also subscribe to my channel if you want to be notified on videos related to modeling requirements that I will be publishing regularly. Until then, bye bye.